Hello viewers, this is your favorite history channel, History Lens. Do you know the region often referred to as Ghana's food basket? The Afram Plains, situated in Ghana's eastern region, is a significant agricultural area. However, its geographical isolation with the Afram River, a major arm of the Volta Lake, separating it from other regions, makes the ferry service an essential lifeline. The ferry, often referred to as a pontoon, connects and facilitates the movement of people, vehicles and goods, particularly farm produce. Although it plays a vital role, the ferry service has been plagued by several issues. Frequent breakdowns. One of the most recurring problems is the frequent mechanical faults and breakdowns of the ferries. Safety concerns. While the pontoon itself has not recorded many accidents in recent years, the undependability of the service often pushes people to resort to smaller and less safe canoes, which have been associated with capsizing and loss of life. Poor road network. The challenges are compounded by the poor state of connecting roads within the Afram Plains, making it difficult to transport goods even after crossing the river. This further hinders economic activities and accessibility to essential services. Limited service hours. The ferry often operates with limited hours, typically from early morning to late afternoon, with a break in between, meaning commuters who miss a trip have to wait for extended periods. Call for improvement and future prospects. Residents, commercial drivers and political leaders have consistently called for government intervention to address these issues. Their demands include repair and maintenance, additional ferries, improved roads, construction of a bridge. The most significant and long-term solution proposed is the construction of a bridge over the Afram River. The story of the Afram Plains ferry is a microcosm of the infrastructure challenges faced by many rural and semi-rural areas in Ghana. It highlights the critical role of transport in economic development and the continuous struggle of communities to access reliable and safe means of connectivity. How promises and plans for improvements are in motion, residents continue to rely on a service that often leaves them at the mercy of mechanical faults and weather conditions. Share, like and follow for more.